Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings, locate and open General Management, and then go to Reset. Here the first possibility is Reset Settings, so smoothly click on it and confirm that you would like to remove all the settings except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. Click here and then confirm it by tapping on Reset icon again. And then you just have to wait a couple of seconds until it's done. It will be done automatically, you just have to patiently wait. And that's it. As you can see, all the settings have been reset. Now you can customize it from scratch. I will start with changing the brightness. And this is it. That will be all. So you can reset all the settings in your Galaxy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.